Express 8 minus 3j in what? Polar form. What's your first task? From here, you already know that r is unknown, theta is unknown. Now, you have used the normal approach, the direct formula to solve. But you've seen why you must not use the direct formula to solve. Because if you solve with the direct formula, meaning from here, if you solve your theta using tan inverse of b over a, the answer you get for your polar form, it won't be equivalent to this guy. You understand what I'm saying? So first thing first, represent this polar form on your Cartesian coordinate, on your quadrant, so as to know the angle it falls, be it the first, second, third, or fourth. Now let's do that together. This is your real axis of z, and this is your imaginary axis of z. Now your 8, we already indicate your 8 here. Horizontal or vertical? Horizontal. Positive side or horizontal or negative side? Positive side. So let's say you have 8 here. Let's say you have it here. Then for negative 3, vertical or horizontal? Vertical. The positive or the negative region? So let's say you have 3 here. So meaning, if you have to draw your angle, you have something like this. Right? This is 8 and this is 3. Then from here, the first angle you get, denote it as alpha. Mind you might use another letter, you might use E. But here, let's go with alpha. So doing that, you know what it means. Let's get out. The formula for r is what? B squared plus a squared, which implies that r is equals to 8 squared plus 3 squared. Meaning r is equals to square root of 9 plus 64. R is equals to square root of, and this is equals to what? Is equals to 8.54. So you've gotten r. Now, you want to get theta. Recall, since your angle falls at the fourth quadrant, theta is what? Theta is equals to 360 minus alpha. Now let's solve for alpha. Solving for alpha from this relation, meaning that tan alpha is equals to what? 3 over 8. That is, alpha is equals to tan inverse of 3 over 8. So solve. Alpha is equals to what? 20.56 degrees. Now theta is what? 360 degree minus 20.56 degree. Theta is equals to 339.44 degree. Meaning that from here, z, which is equals to r all into bracket cos theta plus j sin theta. Your r is what now? 8.54. Your r is what? 8.54. Your theta is what? 339.44 degree. Substitute. Meaning z is equals to 8.54 all into bracket cos 339.44 degree plus j sin 339.44 degree. Right? Now, your angle is in degree. Solve your angle to be in degree minutes. Meaning from here, 339.4 degree implies 339 plus 0.44. That is 339 degree all into bracket 0.44 times 60. Now press this in your calculator. What do you have? So let's say 26 minutes. But before then, press this in your calculator. Are you getting 8 minus 3j? 8.54 cos 339.44 degree. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
You got 8.
Yes.
8.54 sin 339.44. Are you getting negative 3?
Yes.
Meaning you are correct. So now, you can stop here, you are correct. Then you can go further by substituting, by solving this degree to degree minutes. So your final answer becomes 8.54 all into bracket cos 339 degree 26 minutes plus j sin 339 degree 26 minutes. So you are done.
So, what you're saying now is that these are final.
This is your final answer.
But if you not see this question, it will not change it to minutes.
Exactly. Let's say when you solve finish, if this is your final answer and you are not seeing this angle in your OBJ, change it to minutes. Let's say the answers, all the answers is expressed in minutes.
Yes.
So quickly solve, you will get this. Now this is the full form of your polar form. Let's convert this to the short form using this idea. So it becomes what? Z is equals to 8.54. Then this sign, what's the angle there? 339 degree 26 minutes. This is for the short form. Let's express this in exponential form. Z is equals to 8.54 exponential j 339 degree 26 minutes. Is that understood?
Yes.
Any questions so far? Any questions so far? You understand?
So, yes, so that means all these two meaning to answer.
Yeah. What is it?
I said that Z is not equal to 4
Exponential.
That means it's two the same.
Exactly. It's still the same thing as this. What we just did is that from what's it called? From rectangular form, we express to polar form. From polar form, we express to exponential form. From exponential form, express to logarithmic form. Then continuous like that. So that's how it works. So given any complex number, you can convert from the complex number, which is the rectangular form, to what? Polar form.
So I get possibly the same form. It's also the same thing. So the sign minus them.
So let's say from here, initially, you got negative. Writing this polar form to the short form, then you have Z is equals to what? 8.54. Then this sign. What's the angle? 339 degree 26 minutes. Then what if it is the exponential form? 8.54 exponential minus j 339 degree 26 minutes. Consider how it works.
The time of the angle.
Yeah, the what?
The time of the angle.
Okay.
So it is B over
A, yeah, b over a.
and B is minus 3.
That negative, what it does is that it helps you to know the angle it belongs to. What it means is that given a complex number, if you have negative there, it will help you to know the orientation of your angle, where your right angle triangle falls, where it belongs, be it the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant. So what we just did here, when we are given that 8 minus 3j, this guy here, we know that this is 8, right? This is 3. So it helps us to know the angle where this complex number belongs to, if it is the first quadrant, if it is the second, third, or fourth. So there's no effect you using alpha is equals to tan open bracket 3 over 8, or using alpha equals to tan inverse of negative 3 over 8. If you use this, you get the same thing. If you use this, you get the same thing. So what this means is that this negative helps you to know the orientation of the angle, if it is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant. Not necessarily you substitute in it. You get my point? So that's how it works. Alright. Any question?
No.
So what's your question?
The question is that the first, second quadrant and this thing is how you implies that you know the angle is
It falls.
false.